new rare disease fund has been set up to help Singaporeans with specific rare conditions offset the costly medication they need. The Health Ministry and the SingHealth are behind the effort to help those with medical conditions that afflict fewer than 1 in 2,000 people. For a start, the fund has identified 3 rare diseases, including Gaucher disease, and 5 treatment medications where sufferers are eligible to receive financial aid. A committee has been set up to manage the fund and assess applications from patients who seek financial support. The fund is currently supporting 2 patients on a co-payment basis. The level of co-payment depends on their family's means. The government will provide a 3-to-1 matching for every dollar in public donations. To date, the fund has managed to raise a total of $70 million. Its target is to eventually reach about $300 million.
We've done this because there's a small number of rare diseases for which there are medications which will extend lifespan and also improve quality of life. And for these people, treatments are very expensive and sometimes lifelong. And for many families, it's a strain, and even for some, it's out of reach. So hence the fund.
Mainly these patients would be children, but yes, there are diseases or conditions that develop later in life, and those will be eventually covered by the RDF as we grow the number of conditions that will be covered by the fund.